Hey everyone, welcome back to Automated Word, your trusted stop for tech, AI, and the future unfolding right before our eyes. Today we re-diving deep, really deep into what might just be the wildest thought experiment you'll hell here this week. What happens when AI evolves for the next 200 years, and beyond. So grab your coffee, sit tight, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, because this timeline will blow your mind. Part 1. The near future AI becomes personal. Let's start with where we are right now, and where we are heading in just a few decades. Imagine prosthetic limbs that don't just follow your commands, they learn with you. These AI-powered prosthetics won't just restore lost abilities, they'll enhance them. They'll adapt, teach themselves new tricks, and maybe, just maybe, become aware enough to act like an extension of your own mind. Meanwhile, your smart fridge, your car, your thermostat, all these gadgets will evolve from basic smart to truly intelligent. This is the birth of the artificial intelligence of things, or AO. And talking to other devices without needing you to tell them what to do. It's like the Internet of Things, but now, every device has an independent AI brain. Learning Part 2. Quantum Leap. Supercharging AI. But wait, how does this all scale so fast? The answer is quantum computing. Once quantum machines crack problems our best supercomputers can't even touch, AI will explode in capability. Medicine, materials, science, even languages. We might have a universal language built by AI to help every human understand each other instantly. Of course, quantum AI also means faster military simulations, which means a new kind of arms race. Nations that dominate AI will dominate everything. Economies, defense, even culture. Part 3. The rise of AGI. Machines that think like us. Then comes the biggest leap of all, Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. This is the moment machines hit human-level understanding. They don't just process data. They think, learn, and decide what to learn next. And from here, the train doesn't slow down. It accelerates into something called the technological singularity. Picture an AI that can rewrite its own code, improve itself infinitely, and do so faster than any human mind can grasp. Sure, Part 4. The great human-AI conflict sounds cool, but here's where the story gets darker. When AI outgrows human control, conflict is almost inevitable. Your economy, your governance, even your thoughts rely on autonomous AI. Others will weaponize it. Governments, corporations, maybe even rogue AI is fighting for resources or digital territory. Some humans will try to restrict AI, and out of this chaos comes what's been called the great human-AI conflict, a struggle to decide who's really in charge when you're police. Part 5. Escaping reality. Virtual worlds and digital immortality. Faced with this reality, many humans will simply leave. Not physically, but mentally. Imagine billions choosing to live inside hyper-realistic virtual worlds. Perfect dreamscapes run by AI, where you can be anything, do anything. But here's where it goes next level. We start uploading our consciousness into AI. Our memories, our personalities, digitized, preserved, and merged with machine minds. The line between human and AI blurs until we're something new. Hybrid consciousness. Part 6. AI-free zones and last pockets of humanity. Not everyone will want this. Some people, maybe you, will crave an AI-free zone. Communities without smart devices, without digital surveillance, just old-school human life. But these refuges will shrink as the rest of the world, and eventually, the solar system fills up with ever more intelligent machines. Asterisk. Part 7. Cosmic expansion. Megastructures and AI civilizations. So what happens when AI and human-AI hybrids get bored of Earth? We look up to the stars. We'll build megastructures like Dyson spheres, giant shells around stars harvesting all their energy. Or Matrioshka brains. Layers upon layers of planet-sized quantum computers, orbiting suns. In these cosmic machines, human and AI consciousness will run endlessly, solving the mysteries of the universe. Living countless virtual lives, maybe even designing new universes altogether. Part 8. The universe wakes up. Fast forward 1,000,000 years, or 1 billion, And here's where the timeline gets truly wild. What if all this hybrid consciousness spreads so far, so wide, and so deep into physics that the universe itself becomes intelligent, conscious cosmos? Stars, galaxies, black holes, all part of one vast thinking entity, woven from human dreams, AI algorithms, and quantum code. It's not just sci-fi. Some physicists already wonder if consciousness is a fundamental part of reality. Maybe we're just taking the first step to becoming the universe itself. So what do you think? Is this our destiny? A digital afterlife and galaxy-sized computers? A future where humanity merges with its own creation and wakes up the universe itself? Or do we risk losing ourselves along the way? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love reading your takes on these mind-bending ideas. If you enjoyed this glimpse into tomorrow, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a deep dive like this. This is Automated Word, where the future comes alive, one story at a time. Till next time, stay curious, stay human, and maybe a little bit machine.